Our valued customer, hello and welcome to BR Detectors in Dubai. Today we're gonna introduce to you one of the most advanced 3D scanning devices and supported by 3 search systems. We are talking about Gamma from the American company Ajax. The device works with 3 search systems and can reach to depth up to 30 meters underground. Now we will take a look at the device bag and we will talk about its systems. First search system, the live scanning system. This system gives us the ability to make a quick scan on the area and show the hidden targets underground, and that's in order to know the location of the targets before using the 3D scan system. Second, the 3D scan system. This system can make a scan and take photo of limited area and show the contents of the minerals and voids in this area with a 3-dimensional perspective. After taking this photo, we can analyze it and know the shape, size and the depth of the target. We can also know the type of target, whether is valuable or not. The last search system is the Radio Smart Search System. This system uses the electromagnetic detection techniques to detect underground targets and give sound alarm with changes in the indicator on the screen of the device. Now if we open the device bag, we will see the main unit of the device, a stick and also the handle of the device, headphones, a charger and also the car charger included with the device. We will see 2 sensors, Radio Smart sensor and the scanning sensor, and the user manual with warranty card. After turning on the device, we will see 3 search icon and setting icon. We will enter to the setting. We can set a language of the device. The device can support 8 languages including Arabic and English. We can set the time and the date of the device. We can set the display, the brightness or the sleep mode timer. Also we can set the volume of the device and the key tone and the search volume. The power mode, we can set the device on power saving mode or the optimum mode. Also we can check the saved scan of the 3D search system and the Radio Smart system. First search system we will choose is the 3D scan system. We will see 2 icons give us the ability to make the scan from the device or from the tablet. We will choose the device. We will see the scanning mode, manual search or automatic search. The manual search, for each step we have to click the button of the scan or automatically the device will make this scan. We will choose the scanning path, is it alternative or one direction. We can choose also the scanning step, how many columns and rows, and the starting point, is it from the left or the right. And now we will click OK. The device will show us the calibration window. We will click continuously on the ground balance button until finishing this line. And now the device ready for search. Second, the live scanning system. After choosing this system, we will see the same window of the calibration. We will click on the calibration button continuously until finishing this line. Also we see at the left side of the screen a parameter of speed of the scanning. We can increase this parameter or decrease it up on our search. The Radio Smart system, after choosing this system, we will see also the calibration. The Radio Smart Search system, after choosing this system, we have also to make the calibration for the device by pressing the button of the calibration continuously until finishing this line. Now we see 2 indicators. The first one at the right is for the minerals and the left one represent the cave and the cavities underground. If we go to the left side of the screen, we can increase and decrease the sensitivity of the device. Also, we can adjust the balance of the device. We can save the result by pressing OK on save. Also, using this system, we can determine the depth of the target underground. Now after choosing our scan, we can see 2D plot of this scan. At the right side of the screen we can see the row and the columns and the depth of this target and the value of this target, is it valuable or not. We can choose the number of row and number of the column and go. Now the program will take us to the point that we choose and we can see the information of this point. Also we can remove the caves and remove the minerals and put the image on default mode. Now we can go to the 3D plot and see 3D projection of the image. We can remove the minerals and remove the caves and see the image from front and side, and also we can see the image from the top. Also we can go to the details and see a chart represent the percentage of the element underground and the scanning information, and also we can see large window show us the location of our scan. For more information you can visit our website or contact with us at the numbers in the comments. Thank you and goodbye.